This is a demonstration of the Neslab Thermoflex 1400 air-cooled, refrigerated, recirculating chiller. It has a digital controller with intuitive user interface for ease of operation. It has a temperature range of between +5 to +40 degrees C. It has a set point cooling capacity of 1400 watts at 20 degrees C. The reservoir volume is 1.9 gallons, and it has a P2 positive displacement pump producing 4 gallons per minute at 60 psi. It is powered by 120 volts AC, single phase. Show you a couple things. This is where you'd fill it. I like this a lot because there's always a convenient little funnel here. Also, when you need to clean your condenser, this pops on and off. Now around the back, it's pretty simple. This is your main power switch, and this is your output and your input to your system, your product, or whatever you're using. Also, this is convenient. If you turn this counterclockwise, it's a drain, so you have to have a shallow pan. It has several different functions. If you were to push through the mode key in the manual, it'll tell you about the diagnostics, the setup. If you want to just change the set point, which we're going to do now, just push. Now you'll see the set point blank, and we're going to go down to the lowest value, which is 5 degrees C. And it'll continue to blink. Just push enter and it'll return. So now the refrigeration compressor will kick on and start to cool this down. Okay, here we go. This will take a few minutes. Okay, we're at our low temperature of 5 degrees C. I think we have a calibrated temperature probe here. I'll just check that real quick, see what it is. Pretty good. It's laying on the bottom. It's within half a degree. Next thing we're going to do is we're going to run it all the way up to its highest temperature. Again, with the set point. This time we use the up arrow key. To 40 degrees C. And we enter. This will take quite a while. While we're waiting, it's rated for a flow of 4 gallons per minute, approximately, at 60 psi. So over here on our test jig, what we'll do is I'm going to run this up. We're now at about 14 psi. I'm going to run this up, and we're at just below 4.5, so I'm going to run this up. It's ice cold, wow, from that cold one. Oh, too high. Hold on, I'll get it. Leave it right there. It's about 60. and we are right on 4 gallons per minute at 60 psi. So that's good. So now we're not going to apply any heat, external heat. This will heat up on its own to 40 degrees C. It takes a little bit of time, so we'll come back in a little bit and see how it does. Now come up to the maximum temperature of 40 degrees C. Our temperature probe is reading 40 degrees C. So this thing is right on the money. Again, this is a very simple piece of equipment to operate. The manual explains the different setups if you want to set them up in here. And this completes this demonstration.